Hello friends, welcome to our channel All About Guns. In this video, we'll show you the different parts of 30 caliber M1 Carbine. So to start with, let's start with the stock. This is the stock of M1 Carbine. In this we'll show you, this is the band lock. Then we have the recoil plate. Then we have the butt plate. Next we have the barrel, and then we have the band, front band, and this is the receiver. This is called the receiver. Then we have the bolt assembly. This is the bolt assembly of M1 Carbine. Then we have the operating slide. This is the trigger assembly, hand guard, this is the recoil spring and the spring guide. Then we have the pins. This is the trigger assembly pin and the magazine. So these are all the parts of M1 Carbine. To clean them, you just need to clean them with the oil, and you need a 30 caliber cleaning rod to clean the barrel. So thank you for watching our video and keep coming back for more such videos. And don't forget to share and subscribe our channel All About Guns. Thank you.